Can't seem to find insurance because of a less than perfect driving record? You're not alone. But before you resign yourself to the land of outrageous premiums, check out Dairyland. They specialize in high-risk coverage, which can be a lifesaver for drivers who might otherwise be out of luck. But is Dairyland the right choice for you? Let's dive in and see what they have to offer in this Dairyland car insurance review. We're diving deep into Dairyland's coverage, customer service, and most importantly, the price tag. And before you jump in, head over to freeadvice.com to compare quotes using our free quote comparison tool. Enter your information to see if any providers available in your area can get you back on the road without breaking the bank. Now let's buckle up and check out the good, bad, and everything in between about Dairyland. The name might make you think of milk, or better yet, ice cream, but don't let the name fool you. They are ready to cover you in a financial crisis, and a lot better than Dairy Queen could. Let's start with some background information. Dairyland Insurance is a Wisconsin-based company that's been around since 1953, but they're not your everyday insurance company. They specialize in high-risk auto insurance for drivers with less than perfect records. Dairyland offers SR22 coverage, which can help you get your license back on track when other companies will refuse you coverage. They focus on auto and motorcycle insurance, and their services are offered in 38 states. Since they cater to high-risk drivers, their quotes tend to be higher than the competition. But hey, if you need SR22 filing and other companies are leaving you out in the cold, Dairyland might just be your best shot. Think you can find a better deal? Head over to freeadvice.com and compare quotes from top providers in your area. Our free quote tool makes it simple to find the best insurance deals in town. All right, so we've unpacked Dairyland's background and the coverage they specialize in. Now let's talk about something very important: what actual customers have to say. Company reviews provide a gold mine of advice when comparing providers. We did some digging for you. Let's take a look. Dairyland Insurance has a strong financial foundation. The credit rating agency, AM Best, gives Dairyland a rock-solid A+ rating. The Better Business Bureau also gives Dairyland an A+, which means they have great customer service. But here's where things get interesting. The National Association of Insurance Commissioners tells a different story. The NAIC rates companies based on a complaint ratio. The national average is 1, and Dairyland comes in at 4.42, which means they get 4 times more complaints than average. While Dairyland may be financially strong, their policyholders aren't always happy. It's important to weigh the pros and cons of any provider you are considering investing in for your insurance. Head over to freeadvice.com for a hassle-free way to compare quotes and explore the best insurance options in your area. Our database of providers and free quote generator makes it simple to find the lowest rates for your exact situation. Now let's discuss Dairyland's coverage options. Dairyland offers all the usual coverages like liability insurance, collision coverage, and comprehensive insurance. And for ultimate protection, Dairyland offers full coverage, which typically combines all 3 options with an average monthly rate of $237. Drivers can also purchase uninsured or underinsured motorist protection with Dairyland, which helps you if you're in an accident with someone who doesn't carry enough insurance. If you purchase auto insurance with Dairyland, you can also get personal injury protection and medical payment coverage to help you pay for medical expenses after an accident, regardless of who is found to be at fault. Now, the amount of coverage you need depends on the vehicle you drive, where you live, your driving history, and how much financial protection you want. This is why you should visit freeadvice.com. With our free quote search tool, in a matter of minutes, you can compare rates and find personal insurance coverage at the lowest prices possible. For those on the hunt for more options, let's explore Dairyland's add-on coverages. Think of these as extras you can tack on your policy for more coverage. Some companies offer all the bells and whistles, but since Dairyland specializes in high-risk drivers, their selection is more limited. Dairyland add-on car insurance options can help you ensure your vehicle is protected wherever you go. For example, the company insures car parts not covered by standard insurance for up to $1,000. Dairyland also provides roadside assistance. This will ensure you get the help you need if you ever find yourself stranded, with services like towing and emergency repairs. Lastly, they offer rental reimbursement. If your vehicle is stuck in the shop, this coverage will pay for a rental car, providing you with $25 a day up to a maximum of $750. But remember, only get the coverage you actually need. These extras might be helpful, but they also bump up your rates. Explore the most affordable options that are available to you by comparing rates at freeadvice.com. Our site simplifies the process with our free quote tool. Just enter your zip code to get started. You'll be provided with multiple insurance quotes so you can compare rates easily with no strings attached. Dairyland helps drivers get coverage even when other companies shy away. This means they're taking on more financial risk, which of course comes with a higher price tag. Buckle up because it's time to compare rates from top insurance providers. Here's a quick comparison to see how Dairyland stacks up against the competition when it comes to car insurance premiums. The national average for minimum coverage car insurance is $45 a month. And Dairyland comes in at $85 a month for minimum coverage. This is almost double the average cost. Some of the cheapest options for minimum coverage are USAA at $22 monthly, Geico at $30, and State Farm costing $33 a month. USAA is only for military families, so if the average driver goes with Geico over Dairyland, they could save $660 a year. Of course, your exact car insurance rates will depend on several factors, including your driving history, location, and the coverage level you choose. Don't forget to explore the best auto insurance options available to you by visiting freeadvice.com. With our free quote generator, you can compare personalized quotes from top companies in your area. Give it a try today. Now, if we look at full coverage, which offers more protection but naturally costs more, the gap widens even further. The national average for full coverage car insurance is $119 a month. But Dairyland's complete coverage costs $237 monthly. That's a difference of $118 each month, translating to a whopping $1,400 you could save in a year by going with a different company, if you can. Of course, the cheapest option on the list, USAA at $59 a month for full coverage, is only available to military members and their families. But other companies like Geico at $80 or State Farm at $86 a month could still save you a significant amount compared to Dairyland. So if Dairyland is your only option due to a less than perfect driving record, that's okay. But keep in mind the potential cost difference and shop around to see what other companies will offer you. The fastest and easiest way to do that is to visit freeadvice.com, where you can use our free quote tool to compare the lowest rates and find the best deal on car insurance in your zip code. All right, so the price tag might sting a bit, but if Dairyland's your only option, there are ways to soften the blow. Here's the deal. Most insurance companies offer discounts to help you save money, and Dairyland's no exception. With Dairyland, you can snag a discount for signing up early, which is an easy 10% off. Insuring multiple vehicles with Dairyland can also save you 25%. Being a homeowner translates to being a more responsible driver, and Dairyland rewards that with the discount. Plus, loyalty pays off. Keeping your coverage with them for 6 months gets you another discount. And if you're taking steps to protect your car with anti-theft devices, Dairyland gives you a break on your premium for that too. Lastly, opting to pay your entire policy up front instead of in monthly installments can save you some cash. Dairyland's car insurance discounts can add up fast and really help to keep those dreaded car insurance bills manageable. But don't forget, the best way to save some serious dough is by shopping around to compare providers and their rates. For hassle-free quote comparison and to explore the best insurance options tailored to your needs, head over to freeadvice.com. It's your go-to destination for simplifying the insurance shopping experience. All right, folks, that's the scoop on Dairyland car insurance. We covered a lot, from their discounts to how rates can vary depending on your driving record. So if you're ready to ditch the guesswork and dive into comparing rates, head over to freeadvice.com. With our free quote generator, you can ditch the hassle of calling around and sending a bunch of emails. We will give you a list of your personalized rates and help you compare all the top insurance companies in your area. No more insurance round robin, just easy browsing to find the perfect fit for you. If this video helped you better understand the pros and cons of Dairyland car insurance, please give it a thumbs up. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss big savings in our next video. Your experience matters and can really help someone, so please leave a comment below and let the Free Advice community know what you think. Your experience can help others make a smart choice with their insurance investment. If you feel overwhelmed by all the different car insurance options out there, We've got a video waiting for you that breaks down exactly what each type of coverage does for you and when you'd need it and when it's best to skip it and save a few bucks. So make sure to check it out. And hey, if you know someone who's shopping for car insurance, especially those considering Dairyland or one of the other companies we mentioned, share this video with them. The more informed drivers on the road, the better. Thanks for watching and happy insurance shopping. See you at the next one.